Welcome back, dear children. Last class, we discussed about the female reproductive system of human beings. Do you remember the parts constitute in female reproductive system of human beings? Try to say. They are primary sex organs and secondary sex organs.
Let us discuss about gametogenesis. It is the formation of gametes or sex cells. There are of two types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the production of sperm or spermatozoa from the male primary sex organ. Oogenesis is the production of ovum or egg from the female primary sex organ. Now we are discussing about spermatogenesis. As I mentioned earlier, it is the formation of mature sperm or spermatozoa from the primary sex organ testis. A mature sperm or spermatozoa is released by a process called spermiation. It consists of two steps, formation of spermatids and spermiogenesis. Formation of spermatids mainly includes multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. In multiplication phase, primordial germ cells or spermatogonia undergo mitotic division and increase in their numbers. These cells are present in the inside wall of the seminiferous tubules. Each of these cells are in diploid condition. That means each of these cells have 46 chromosomes. Suddenly, this spermatogonia enters into the growth phase. They grow and increase in their size and form primary spermatocytes. These are in diploid condition. Suddenly, it enters into the maturation phase. Primary spermatocyte undergo first meiotic division or reduction division to form two equal haploid cells. Then it is called secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocyte undergo second meiotic division, form four equal haploid cells. These are called spermatids. This is the first step in spermatogenesis. Suddenly, this spermatids enters into the differentiation phase or spermiogenesis. It is the transformation of these spermatids into sperm or spermatozoa. Different changes occurred in these spermatids. Transformation of nucleus into head, acrosome formation, losing cytoplasm, formation of tail are the changes occurred in the spermatids. After spermiogenesis, sperm heads become embedded in the Sertoli cells and are released from the seminiferous tubules by a process called spermiation. This is the structure of the mature sperm or spermatozoa. It is microscopic long flagellated cell. The whole body is covered by a plasma membrane. It consists of head, neck, middle piece and tail. Head is an oval-shaped structure containing an elongated haploid nucleus and are capped by acrosome which contains lytic enzymes. Acrosome is very useful to penetrate the egg membrane during fertilization. Neck is very short and contains two centrioles, proximal centriole and distal centriole. Proximal centriole is important is in first cleavage of zygote. Distal centriole is connected to the tail filament. Middle piece contains mitochondria which produce energy for the sperm motility. Tail helps the sperm moves in fluid medium.
Today we discussed about the spermatogenesis. It is the formation of sperm or spermatozoa from primary sex organ, the testes. It consists of two steps, formation of spermatids and spermiogenesis. Formation of spermatids mainly consists of multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. After the formation of spermatids, spermatids enters into the spermiogenesis or differentiation phase. Finally, the mature sperm or spermatozoa is released from the seminiferous tubules by a process called spermiation.